to Lakshyan Learn Maths. So in my previous videos I had already given so many videos on triangles. So this is also one of the video which is continued on triangles only. So which is very important for class 10, and just the previous links will be given in the description box. You can go through that. So before going to the video, so let's I'll request the same thing, that is like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, that is Lakshyan Learn Maths. So as this channel is mainly for high school students and also for competitive exams who are preparing for the various exams. See this triangle here, ABC is a triangle and BC is one side, AB is one side and AC is the one of this side. Now here one more line I have drawn here, which is DE. So DE is parallel to one of the side of the triangle, okay, and D and E are the two distinct points which are touching the which are intersecting the other two sides of the triangle, that is AB at D and AC at E. Then the other two sides like AB and AC, okay, so will be divided in the same ratio. Okay, so I just repeat this statement. If a line drawn parallel to one side of the triangle intersecting the other two sides at two distinct points, then other two sides will be divided in the same ratio. So this statement was given by the great mathematician by Greek. He is called as Thales. So this is also called as Thales theorem. So this concept has been introduced in the concept of similar triangles. So let's go into the proof of the theorem in detail. Let us discuss this statement, and you know the steps to be followed to analyze and to write the theorem. So here we have to write given, to prove, construction, proof, everything in the theorem part. So I am going to explain in detail about this Thales theorem. Okay. So let's see here once again. So the statement says, if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct points, then other two sides are divided in same ratio. So here just go through this figure first. Here it is ABC is a triangle, and here D and E are the two distinct points, and DE is a line which is parallel to BC. Okay. Then we have to prove that AD divided by DB. So you can just see here, AD divided by DB is equal to AE by EC. So this is what we are supposed to prove. So what is it given in this statement? That is what has been written here. So here triangle ABC, ABC is a triangle in which a line is parallel to BC. So here which line is parallel to BC? DE is a line which is parallel to BC. Okay, so which is intersecting at AB, okay, which is intersecting AB at point D, and it is also intersecting AC at E. Okay, so these are the things we have to write in the column, given column. Okay, now and also we have to write DE is parallel to BC. So that is what has been written here. DE is parallel to BC. So to prove, I have already explained here. So AD, that is first part of the triangle divided by the second part of the triangle of one side, okay, which is equal to the first part, that is AE by EC, that is second part of the other side of the triangle. Okay, so it's very clear, AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. This is what we are supposed to prove according to this statement. Okay, fine. So this is also called as basic proportionality theorem. So it is, in short, it is called as BPT. Fine. So let's go to the construction. So why do we need a construction actually? So I said that this theorem is based on similar triangles. To get the similar triangles, we need to do the construction here. Okay. So what is it we are going to construct here? So first thing is, so join BE. So here BE. So whatever the lines we have drawn to get the statement, okay, according to the statement. So that point, so E and B we are joining here, and also C and D we are joining here. Okay, so join BE and CD, and also, so this I think this is clear to you. BE and CD we are joining, and also what is it we have to do? EF. So from E you have to draw a perpendicular. From EF you have to draw the from E you have to draw the perpendicular, that is on AB. So I just show the perpendicular like this. Here this is perpendicular now, and here this is DG. From D again you have to draw a perpendicular line DG. So on AC or AE. So this is what the construction we have to draw. So I repeat this construction, that is, first we have to join BE and again CD. From E you have to draw FEF as the perpendicular line on AB. Also you have to draw one more perpendicular line from D, from the point D, that is DG is the perpendicular line on AE. Okay, this is construction part. Now next is the proof part, which is very important here. So let's see that. First we have to consider the triangles, like area of the triangle ADE. Now just observe the triangle ADE here. ADE is the first part, the small triangle here, ADE. In the main triangle ABC, the first triangle we are considering. So what is this area? Area of this triangle. So you know the formula, area of the triangle is equal to half into base into height. Yes, no? Half into base into height is the formula to find the area of a triangle. Now let us take this triangle ADE. Now area of the triangle ADE, half into, what is the base here? Base is AD. AD is the base, and height, this perpendicular length is nothing but the height, that is height is EF. EF is the height. Okay, so half into base into height. Base is AD and EF is the height. Now let us divide it by, let us take the ratio, of course it is ratio. So next let us take this one more triangle, that is BED. So this triangle, so BED, okay, this triangle. So BED triangle. So what is again the area of the triangle? We have to use again the formula. So half into DB is the base, DB is the base, and EF is the perpendicular distance. Okay. So here half and half get cancels, half and half get cancels, and EF cancels. Okay. And so it is left over. What is that left over? AD by DB is left. Okay, so that is in left hand side, it is area of triangle ADE and area of triangle BED. BED is left. Okay, area of triangle ADE divided by area of triangle BED is equal to AD by DB. So that let us take this as equation number 1. And similarly let us consider the triangle ADE. Again the first triangle ADE. So again half into base. Let us take this base as AE, that is on the other side of the triangle, that is AC. Okay, on this AC can also be taken as base or AE can also be taken as base. So here AE is the base and DG is the perpendicular distance, that is height of the triangle DG. Now other ratio, that is other triangle is DEC, this one DEC triangle. Fine. So in this triangle half is common, EC is the base. Okay, EC is the base and DG is the height. So here again half and half get cancels, DG and DG get cancels. So we are left with area of triangle ADE divided by area of triangle DEC is equal to AE by EC. Now this is equation number 2. Now we have to, so in your 9th standard you would have learned that triangles which are standing on the same base between the two parallels, between the same parallels or two parallels, will have the same area. So this is 9th standard concept. So according to this, here triangle BDE and triangle DEC will have the same area because they are standing on the same base BC and between the same parallels DE and BC. So here I have written here triangle BDE and triangle DEC lies on the same base BC and between the same parallels DE and BC, or DE parallel to BC. So according to this, so we can what we can conclude here. So we can conclude that BDE, the area of triangle BDE is equal to area of triangle DEC. Okay, here I have written. So this is equation number 3. Now from equation number 1, 2 and equation number 3, we can conclude that AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. So you can just come back again in the to prove column. So here also in the to prove column, what do we have here? AD by DB is equal to AE by EC by comparing the areas. Okay. So hence the statement that is has been proved here. So this is the concept and the proof of the Thales theorem or basic proportionality theorem. So hope this is useful for you. So those are studying in SSLC, that is 10th standard, is very, very important even in the point of examination. So let's meet in the other videos, important videos. So hope this you like my video. Like, share, comment, same dialogues again. Like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel Lakshyan Max. See you again.